All right, we're in Emerald Park, so this is gonna be a new location for us to walk aside from our neighborhood. So they said there's gonna be a two trail. Either you take the long trail or the short trails. Since this is our first time, we don't know how long or how short, so we're gonna take the short, just just to just for our the peace of mind. Because I don't know how the boys gonna do it, and I don't know how hard or easy the trail. So let's go. We're walking in the woods. All right. Oh, you heard the sound? It's beautiful. Look at these trees around. It's very refreshing, relaxing. Hi, Jojo. Jojo. And Liam is just, oh, they see the deer? See the deer over there? You see it, Daddy? There's one deer, big one. In the woods. There's the deers. Two deers.
There's Mommy.
Yeah. Yep. We are walking. Daddy said we have to walk somewhere that outside our neighborhood, just for a change. Do you like it, son, so far? Sana. I think 7 o'clock in the evening right now, and the sun's still up. And we, yep, go Daddy, run. Exercise, Liam? Yes. Oh, yeah. Good job. I love it. All right, come on, keep walking. It's all sweetness.
Mommy.
Oh, you want to? Daddy can carry you. You want Daddy to carry you? So ask Daddy.
What do you say?
Hug, Mommy.
Hey, get over here.
Walk on the concrete.
There you go. This way, be it. Slow down.
So do not cross this point. So there was a wrong decision to go that way, because it says say hi, guys. Oh, it is. What are you thinking, babe? What did you find, mister? All right, come on, go with Daddy. It's time to go. Look, Daddy and Kuya is already far. Can you run? We're gonna go to the scenic, the overlooking place. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, it's like a mini Grand Canyon. What do you think? Is that mini Grand Canyon? Look, babe.
Yeah.
It's like the mini Grand Canyon in North Little Rock. There's some people down there. I think that's the long way that they're talking about. You have to go down and... Wow, it's gorgeous. And this is just like 11 miles from the house. So it's not that bad. Alright guys, let's keep going. Keep moving. Yay! Look at my boys. Reminding me when we were little, growing up, and we played this kind of like this. Indiana Jones. Yeah. Walking. Oh, the road. Okay, Johan, slow down, baby. The trail is getting narrower. You don't like it?
That was horrible because it has so much footprints.
wildflowers. Oh, raspberry. Oh wow. That's the Arkansas. Oh, that's the Arkansas River, right? And this is the scenic. You have to be careful now. You let Daddy hold you though. Mommy's kind of nervous about this. But Leon, look at that. There's somebody sailing over there.
Mommy, go buddy.
No, no,
Mommy,
no, 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 babe.
there's a sailboat.
I know, son. Look at this. Yeah, this flowers really smells good when this flower. Okay. Don't get too close to the edge, please. Go.
Hello.
Oh, it's echoing.
Just say the word.
You wanna try that flower? It's really cool, yeah. It's very simple walk. Very short. Very. Liam, babe. It's really he's scaring me. Liam, stay with me. Flower, yeah. Just get the flower. Liam. Oh, Liam, look, there's some bee. There's a bee. Yeah. Fighting over with these boys. No, baby, no. No, you're not sitting there. No. Okay, there we go. That's even better. Yeah, you sit. Oh, you're sweating?
Yeah, I'm just gonna add one drop of water on my hat because it just
A long walk next time. Right now we just took the short trail since it's already past 7 and the gate's gonna close at 8, so we have to go out here before it will close. All right, so if you guys enjoy our video for today or our video right now, see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay healthy, keep safe. God bless you, everyone. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Bye, guys. It's so cute. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Oh. Aww. Did you find the rock? Okay, say bye, guys. Blue kisses.
Mommy.